Okay, next video. God, clocks have changed now. You come home and it's dark. It's like, oh. So I wanted to try and got a lot of this done. Let me just move the camera a little bit. A lot of this welding done a bit more, but hopefully try and finish the car off before it gets near Christmas and gets too cold out here. So got my new tips. So put them on and finish up. Let's try and get some tack welds on this so I can then take it off and hopefully clean it up. This surface rust keeps coming back. Okay, repair the bottom of that as best I can. I might get a bit arsey later, put a bit of fill on it, but I'll do for now. So I think I'm going to try and get some welds on that and get that back in. I've got some holes where I've drilled out the old spot welds ages ago, so I can just weld through those hopefully. Push that across, get this clamped on, and we get that welded back in. Switch to Sol for tonight. Stella hasn't got back to me about sponsoring me, so we'll try Sol for a bit. And I also had some left over from the Mexican Grand Prix that I watched, so, which was the most exciting last 10 minutes. It's quite funny, but anyway. Alright, let's get on with this. Okay, that's done. I'm not too sure how much you saw of that because I was actually welding inside the door pocket, in the rear pocket bin as well. So you might have not seen much in the camera angle. That'll do for now. Most of that's covered by the seat anyway. Maybe put a little bit of fill on that if I get pedantic earlier. The carpet will cover a lot, but we'll see, we'll see. Let's not worry too much about that. Okay, so a bit more to finish off, but I'll do that once the subframe's out. I think that's strong enough this side now. A bit of a clear up. And then we may start looking at the other side now. Don't know what to do next. I have to think of a plan. Okay, back to the bulkhead again. Keep coming back to this, do a bit at a time. Ordered a new brake master, brake and engine steady bracket. Don't know why, 14 quid for 2 bit of bent metal, but a couple of beers later on eBay, I had to get it. So I'll grind all that off because then I'll remount it later once I've got the master cylinder back in and the plate, and I can get that welded back in to locate it. That looks all hairy there as well. They all just need to come off as well. So a bit more clean on the bulkhead. What I did was I just had a little hole, rust hole down here, so I just sort of patched that a little bit. So the car's not going to see much rain ever again, so should be alright. Just do a bit of talking about this side while I've got the camera here. Obviously you can see the great big hole already down there. Got another one of these panels to go in. Where they're going to replace a whole lot or as badly as the other side. The other side was much rusted and much up here. This one's all pretty solid. Apart from up the top there, so I maybe end up cutting it all out anyway, just to be care. And then, you need to take all that skin off to see underneath and see what the actual hinge pillar's like behind. Done a bit of repair just here under the shock absorber mount that seemed to go on every Mini because it just traps water there. So that's just cleaned up now. Passenger side, just having a quick look. Picked up another second hand but never been used Heritage door panel. I think I'll end up doing the same as I did the other side just to be safe, because I just need to see what's underneath it. Even though I'm cutting all that side out, I've got another floor pan to go in. But yeah, you can see there I've got a lot to do on this side. I think maybe turn the car around, give me more space because I've got a funny shaped garage. And I've got another rear quarter panel. Let's go on. Another day's job. Door gaps are definitely tighter this side. I'm not too sure why, whether something's done wrong, it's just different doors. Can't get my head around it too much. Yeah, that's the way things are sometimes.